Welcome to HowToBrowser YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to share video in community tab. It's actually super simple, so please follow along with me, watch this video till the very end, and also subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you for taking the time to watch this video. So now let's jump right into the video. It's super simple. Just tap on the share button here, tap on create post, and from here it's very simple. You just you add here the title of this post, a question, whatever you want, and then here you can tap on post, and now you just created a post on your community tab. It's super easy, so really appreciate you for taking the time to watch this video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know if you have any questions related to YouTube, you have problems with YouTube, or you are curious to know how to do something. Please let me know in the comment section. I'll create a video for you. So thank you. I'll see you guys now in the next video. Take care.